Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy here, and just going to make a breakfast burrito. So I think I've got everything here that I'm going to use. Some bacon, wraps, hot chips, also known as French fries. You could use hash browns, and I probably would if I had some, but I don't have any at the moment. So some cheese, eggs, and then just some mayo, tomato sauce and sweet chili sauce. So just heat up the deep fryer, these hot chips, and then I'm going to make some scrambled eggs and cook this bacon too. Put the bacon on first. So now we're going to put our scrambled eggs on, and what I do for that is just I like to do them in the microwave. So you can see that 2 eggs. Got a milk and some grated cheese. And keep this cheese handy because we're going to add some more to the burrito. Leave that there, and then I just give it a whisk. And I just give this a whisk and then chuck it in the microwave for about a minute. Get it out, stir it, then do it for like 30 seconds, and then 30 seconds again, and it should be done after, just keep doing that until it's done. Alright, so got our hot chips here, and I'm going to put them on the base. And then we're going to add our bacon. And scrambled eggs on top of that. And bit of salt. If you want, also you can add some I really like this instant noodle seasoning. Tastes really good. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on, not too much. Gives it some nice flavour. And a bit of mayo I'm going to add. Any of these really you can add. Not much mayo left. Not too much. Didn't go to plan. Some sweet chili. I'll just spread that along the base. And some tomato sauce. Grate a bit more cheese on top. And that's good to go.